All right, today we're going to actually bring a CarPlay, and this is a CarPlay for those that don't have CarPlay built into your system. I'm going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Now, first of all, it's a little small little box of device, if you guys can see that. So you get the little device, right? And the device is simple. All you got to do is make sure they give you two cables. They give you a type C to type C and a type C to type A as an option, all right? So you have that. So we're going to use a type C to type A. We're going to go ahead and turn on the car. All right, we have it plugged in right here. We have an iPhone, right? On the iPhone, you have to go to settings. You have to go to your Bluetooth, all right? Allow it. And then we're going to go CarPlay. Under CarPlay, this is where you're going to see more of the theme system coming in. And it's connect. We're going to connect to it. Now that we're connecting to it, it's going to go ahead and give us a little connection. It takes a couple minutes before it connects, but if you guys can see it, it all pops up in there. Now you have your CarPlay wirelessly. You're going to come in here. You can do your maps. I'm not going to do the maps because for some reason, again, I can't show you a street or any areas like that. You get your music, your text messages, and your news, and pretty much your car sync. So if you have your car synced up to it or information, look at this, and you can always come back to the main screen. CarPlay again. We have your books. You got plenty of options. You can move to a scroll if you guys can see that. Pandora, Google Maps, settings, your calendars, your Zoom calls. If you have a Zoom call, you could even connect a wireless camera, some of these things, all right? So that's pretty much it. You could set up, download applications for this, all right? I'm not gonna show you the map again, like I said. A podcast, music, Pandora, Spotify, whatever you want. Text messages come in. It's gonna use your audio on your car and your microphone in your phone, all right? So it's a great way to actually have CarPlay, even though your system doesn't have it. It's a great way to set up, easy to install. A couple of steps and you should be good. Now it's not compatible with Droid, only with iPhone, right? It's only made for iPhone, so that's what we're going to test it on, and it gives you a battery life and so forth. And also, if you want to play games or any systems, you could connect your HDMI here and display anything in here too, also with the HDMI. That's another option you have, but don't recommend it when you're driving. It should be somewhere where you're parked, right? So I hope you guys enjoy the video.